Here's my new 2014 Jeep JK, two-door, got anvil color. First modification I made to this is DC to AC. Put a little inverter in here. Pretty nifty. It come in handy for cell phones, laptops. I only did 200 watt, but that's enough for me. And how I did it is I opened this up and it sits pretty good, like almost on the bottom right here. Just cut out a hole here and a hole on the other side, and then I had to get longer screws to make up for the difference, because there's, you know, the gap for this plastic piece right here. Just put some caulk down, keep it in nice and tight, and then I ran the wires down here, and then this will be easy to cover up. Just put a mat right here, and then I just ran the wires all through here, down through here, through the firewall, and then right to the battery. That's the first mod I've done so far. And then I just put this Smitty built overhead console MOLLE system in. Fits in there pretty good. Only thing that kind of sucks is it's over towards the driver's side more than the passenger side. It's not exactly centered, but it'll do.